started, can you believe it, with our last math lesson. Oh my gosh.
That is crazy.
Super crazy. So what we're going to be doing is we're doing relate shape fractions and area. So we're kind of combining a lot of skills that we've learned throughout the year.
Yes. So turn your books to page 747 and follow along. All right. So on page 747, it says that we are going to be tracing a hexagon. We're actually just going to write it out because I don't think you probably have a hexagon at home to trace, and
No.
that's just fine. So we're going to go ahead and draw that on the board so you can kind of see what the hexagon looks like. So I'm just going to draw it in this open area here. You can just draw it in your workbook. Remember, a hexagon has 6 sides.
6 sides.
All right, so trace a hexagon. Done. B says divide your hexagon into 2 parts with equal area. So I want to divide that in half so it's equal. Look at that. Right down the middle.
Whoa.
All right, B is done. C says write the names of the new shapes. Well, I'm looking at this shape. If I was to move it over, it would look like this. I know that shape right there is a trapezoid.
Yeah.
So the new shapes are trapezoids. Okay. D says write the fraction that names each part of the whole you divided. So I split it into 2 parts. 2. Okay.
1, 2.
1, 2. So this would be 1 out of 2, and this would be 1 out of 2. So the fraction is half. Each part is half the whole shape's area. Now write the fraction that names the whole area. Well, 1/2 plus 1/2 equals
1 whole.
So I could write that as a fraction of 2 over 2, which I know equals 1 whole.
Awesome.
There we go.
Gosh, makes me think back to fractions.
Uh-huh.
Those are fun. Okay, here we go. The next page, it says the rectangle at the right is divided into 4 equal parts. So we're looking at this rectangle over here, and it's divided into 4 equal parts. It says write the unit fraction that names each part of the divided whole. So that means I have 4 equal parts.
Okay.
So this is 1 of the 4 equal parts.
Yep.
This is 1 of the 4 equal parts. This one is 1 of the 4 equal parts. And this one is 1 of the 4 equal parts.
So the unit fraction would be
1/4. What is the area of each part? I might just do a little erasing here.
yes.
When I find the area, I need to count the boxes within, unless I can do length times width.
Right.
But when I look at this, I don't know if I can really do length times width.
Nope.
So I think I need to count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So they all have 5 square units. Okay.
Perfect.
It says how many 1/4 parts does it take to make our whole? Well, when we count them out, I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. It takes 4/4 to equal my 1 whole.
The next one says, is the shape of each of the 1/4 parts the same?
Let's look at those shapes. Do they look exactly the same?
I'm going to call on someone to help me out with this one.
Yeah, good idea.
We're going to see. Miss Haley, does each of the shapes in this 1/4, each 1/4, look the same? No, you're right. They're all a little different.
Good. Next one, it says, is the area of each of the 1/4 parts the same? Well, Miss Poppy, when she counted the area of each shape, and she said that each one had an area of 5 square units. So is the area of each 1/4 part the same? Yes.
Yeah.
So even though the shape is different, the area or the inside is still the same. All right. We're still on page 748. It says divide the shape into equal parts. Draw lines to divide the rectangle below into 6 parts with equal area. Okay, so I want to figure out how I can split that into 6 parts. What do you think?
Well, sometimes I always like to figure out how many units it goes across
Yeah.
before
let's do
starting
that.
before I start dividing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8 across and 3 down. So 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, but I need 6 equal parts. So if I took that 24 and divided it into 6 equal parts, that'd be like 24 divided by 6. Let's call in someone. What is 24 divided by 6? Charlotte?
Yes! It's 4.
4. So I know that each one has to have 4. So I can kind of count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh.
There's 4, 4, 4.
How many
1, 2,
equal parts?
3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey! Nice job, you guys. So then it says write the fraction that names each part of the divided whole. I'm calling on you guys. Hey, Bryn, what is each part called of the divided whole? Yes, 1/6. Each part equals 1/6 of the whole shape.
Nice. Now it says write the area of each part. So remember, area is the inside. So what is the area in each of these shapes? Let's just do this one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, the area of all of them, if I was to keep going, would be 4 square units.
Awesome. Then it says each part is blank of the whole shape's area. What do you think? It sounds kind of like we've already had this question a little bit.
Yeah, and they just kind of changed the wording.
Yeah. Each part is blank of the whole shape's area. 1/6 of the whole shape's area.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing,
We
fractions.
did a lot in that one.
Holy man.
All right, we're on page 749 now. It says draw lines to divide the shape into equal parts that show the fraction given.
This sounds like fun.
So number 2, the fraction is 1/6. That means I need to divide it into how many parts? Let's call in something. 1/6 means how many parts, Jake? Yeah, 6 parts.
6 equal parts.
So, I think I'm going to split it down the middle first. I'm at 2.
2 equal parts. What if you went from like kind of corner to corner or angle to angle?
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Does that equal 6 equal parts?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 6 triangles make up this hexagon.
Cool. Okay, next one. I need 1/2. So I need to divide it into how many equal parts? Rylan, how many equal parts am I going to divide this shape into? 2.
Nice.
You're right. So I want to make sure they're equal. There's a couple of different ways I can do it.
Yeah.
But I think I'm going to go right here.
There you go.
I have 2 equal parts.
Yeah. All right. Number 4, the fraction is 1/8. How many equal parts? Let's call on one last person. How many equal parts, Bella? Yes. Since 8 is our denominator, we need to have 8 equal parts. So, I'm going to cut it in half first. Then I'll maybe cut it here,
Yeah.
and then here,
Yeah.
and then here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. that's one way you could do it. There's other ways you could too.
Yeah, very cool.
All right, we're on page 749, and it says draw lines to divide the shape into parts with equal area. So now we're not worried about them being the same shape. It just has to have the same area. All right.
So the first one, 5, it says 8 equal parts. So you have to make it into 8 equal parts with the same area.
So we should probably figure out the area first.
Yeah.
Okay? So since this is a perfect shape, we can do length times width. So if I did 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, I would get 4 times 4 is
16.
16. So the area is 16, and I need to split that into 8 equal parts. So if I did 16 divided by 8 parts, 16 divided by 8 is
2. So that means each little spot that we divide has to be an area of 2.
So let's do that. That would be 2.
2,
2.
2, 2, 2.
And I want to double check that I have 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice.
Cool. This is going pretty good so far.
It is.
Okay, let's do the same thing. I need to get this into 6 equal parts. I have a perfect shape right here, so I know that I can do my length times my width equation. So 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 3 times 8 equals what? Yes, 24. Okay, so just like how we did the last one, I want to say 24 divided by 6 equal parts equals 4. So each spot needs to have 4 square units for an area.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I do it?
Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts.
Cool.
All right. And
whoa.
whoa. Well, I can still find the area, but I cannot do length times width.
No way.
So I'm just going to count out the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area is 12, and it needs to be split into 4 equal parts. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3.
3.
So I have to make each one 3. Let's start. Let's go with these 3.
Perfect.
1, 2. Let's do these 3.
3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey, we did it.
Cool. They look a little different
Yeah.
than over there.
They're not the same shape, but they are the same area. Okay, now it says write the area of each part as a unit fraction. Well, we split this into 8 equal parts, so each one would be 1/8.
This one we split into 6 equal parts, so each unit would be 1/6. And the last one we split into 4 equal parts, so we know that would be 1/4.
There we go. All right, now it is your turn. So go ahead and complete pages 751 and 752 on your own.
Hey, you guys got this. We're kind of combining a lot of different skills that we've had and learned this year with fractions, multiplying, dividing.
Yeah.
So
You got
follow
it.
along. All right, let's go finish that game.
Let's do it. See you guys.